Yes, some people. Yeah, man, you know it's part with a nice river in Manchester. They here with a great YouTuber. Yeah, man, my eyes are yours. So we're up at the border of Manchester. Yes, my boss.
Yes, my people, big up on yourself once again, man, and thanks for joining on this channel. Yeah, man, you don't know, say I'm a tour guide Fire Reid, you know. Yeah, man, we're there right now a nice river on the border of Manchester and St. Elizabeth. So, right now, guys, the place looks so nice and calm after the storm. So, we're going to a video. I couldn't see what going on. Guys, the water pretty like money. Yeah, man, it's pretty like new money, guys. So, guess what? Further ado, we are going to tour a river. So, no big up.
So yes, some people, we all know that Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica. You know, St. Elizabeth, Manchester get hit on them place there. So we are showing how go on in the nice river area, guys, and thanks for stopping by. Big up on yourself anywhere you watch from. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. Yeah, man. So you see what I go on? Yeah, man. Back in the days, you know, someone shop in there right here. So yeah, man. So you know, see a hurricane devastation, you know, Manchester. Them place here, hurricane destroy. Yeah, man. So we take a walk, go down on the bridge. Yeah, man, see it here. So you all can indicate where you're watching from. Yeah, man, we're at the bridge. See the bridge there? That's a journey, you know? All about life in Jamaica. See it there? Water feel nice, see there? Water nice, people. Wash all the face. So we love it, you know? Tell us, say, wash my face a while ago, I just feel different. Yeah, man, down the stream. So anybody in the comment section, I don't know what year, if you know anything about this bridge. I never really get much information on this bridge, but if anybody in the comment section know anything about this bridge, you can leave in the comment section, alright? Yeah, man, so stick and stay. Yeah, man, we're up on the journey same way. So you know, when you're in the nice river area, a lot of people from all about come to this location. They normally keep party here and stuff, you know. Yeah, man, they normally keep party here on weekend and stuff. You see that damage jacket? Yeah, man, a Hurricane Melissa tear down them thing, you know. Light post there, utility post down, water running and everything. Careful now, my general. You can't swim, man.
What do you mean?
Make sure you know.
No, it's good fun.
Alright, sir.
Good fun.
Yeah, well. Boss saying he can't swim, so if you know if he can't swim, you know, but there's a man can't really swim still, but I enjoy it. See a stream of water there. as well. So there is no place like Jamaica and Manchester with people. This is one river in Manchester. Yeah man, one river there. So you enjoy it tour. Just come along and enjoy it. See there? It's a beauty here. We're on the stream of water. Yeah man, beautiful stream coming down. Stream coming down the same way. Yeah man, see the cold stove here? Yeah man, them thing we come around here, we cook with food on a weekend and enjoy ourselves. Yeah man. Yeah man, so I walk the street and so I go on the same way. Boss, you know what I find? Yeah man, you don't know about nature, you know? What them call on there?
River
Crayfish in call on there?
No, the crayfish, but right in the
River cray? Yeah man, see it there? Yeah man. Freshly catch. They say I bite, you know, so I'm not really afraid I bite this morning, but it's a clean catch this morning. Good for next soup too, you know. Yeah man. Man, as here, bossy, take it easy, alright? Yeah man, Fire Reid. Yeah man, nobody will want to big up. Boss, I want to big up. Big up somebody, man. If I have your mother, big up somebody, man.
It's not everybody to big up. Well, big up my mother and my father.
Yeah man, big up all the time. You know, so they make it there, you know, so big up, you know?
Yeah,
Brothers and respect, see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah man, say boss, I big up your mother and father. You don't know, say mommy and daddy make you there. So you see it? So big up yourself. Alright? One lover, one heart can come here, so come wash all the clothes on a Saturday and Sunday. Any day you prefer to wash your clothes. Can come on the river stream and enjoy yourself. That is it. So they say stream I kind of set away. I'm going to stream and show you how to go on the stream here. Watch a step, you know. Morning. Beautiful stream, man. So, thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid. One love, one heart. Oh.